Life is absolutely so much better outside with our Azenco Pergola. We have 2 dogs. We love spending time outside. We love just lounging around with them. So the ability to have sun when it's good weather, the ability to be outside and close the pergola system when it's raining and still enjoy the outside is something that really separates this product and really allows us to enjoy life outside.
For sure. You know, going through a remodel, it's something that we're not new to. We've done this so many times, but with every remodel, there's always going to be challenges, and there's always going to be things that pop up unexpectedly. So it was so amazing and helpful to have the team with Show Pros and Azenco to be on site with us and to go through this process of installing the pergola from the get-go. I think that makes a huge difference in construction and obviously the final details of the product, and that's a big thing for us. The whole team blew us away. And then the product, it speaks for itself. It's beautiful.
And I think as people that have done this before, we had an initial vision of what we thought we wanted. But then when Azenco and Show Pros came on board, they combined their vision and our vision and gave some recommendations of things that we didn't really even think about. As far as spacing, as far as what you need for hurricane winds and all weather situations and sensors so that we can leave it open. And when it starts raining, it'll close on its own. So things like that we didn't even think about. The team at Azenco, the team at Show Pros was able to kind of help us and collaborate their vision with ours and get the perfect product.
And honestly, one of the biggest things that drove us here to Puerto Rico was being outside and enjoying the outdoors. And we had spent so much time out here, but we didn't have something like this to where it made it obviously beautiful to do, but also functional. And so now we spend so much more time outside. It's stunning. People drive by and ask us where we got all this stuff. So not only does it hit the design element, but it's functional, and it makes life outdoors way better. Wow would be a great word to describe this whole experience.
That's a good word to describe the entire experience from start to finish. Wow, we had a lot more problems and issues to sort through to make this beautiful pergola here.
To wow, look how incredible it turned out. I think wow is a great word.
Yeah.
You know, when we started this renovation, it was a big, big project, and we knew what comes with a big project is a lot of ups and downs, a lot of things that you have to navigate and work through. And I feel like when we started to get to the point of the pergola system and getting that installed, it was one of the more seamless experiences that we've ever had, which is so nice when you're going through a renovation and you're deep in the trenches.
Because we've been through some crazy experiences when it comes to renovations. We filmed a TV show that was about renovating. So you could say on one hand, we've been pros at that. This experience was crazy, but I think having the Azenco team, having the Show Pro team kind of along the entire way go through the ups and downs with us to problem solve what we needed to problem solve is the first time we've ever experienced putting up a system like this. Had never done that before. So it was seamless from start to finish.
Yeah.
Not because we were pros, but because Azenco and Show Pro made it super easy on us.
And for me especially, I had such a vision for this project, from the interiors to the expansion to the design and the aesthetic of the outdoor space, because for us, we knew we were going to be spending a big chunk of our time outside. And so we knew how important it was to find a product that not only was beautiful and showcased the aesthetic we wanted for this home, but also functional in the sense that we could use it every single day. And we got that, which is good find, by the way. Jordan searched high and low to find the best pergola system, and so kudos to you for finding Azenco.
Let it be known, stalking on social media when it comes to, pergola system, not a bad thing. It actually ended up working out. I had to dig through a lot of different companies, shoot some DMs, and luckily we found Azenco, and it's been amazing.
Yeah. Honestly, I would say 10 out of 10 with experience. From start to finish, it was such a pleasure to work with them, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. It's our favorite space.
We moved to Puerto Rico because we wanted to experience more living outside. We wanted to experience the nature, the beauty, the weather of this beautiful island. We had 2 dogs laying here that love being outside, and through the renovation, we lost what was the exterior space. And so we were able to replace it with something I think is much more functional,
100%.
Much prettier. It's a beautiful system, and it allows us to spend so much more time living, just being outside, experiencing life,
outdoors.
not inside, outside.